Okay, so we'll look now at actually using integration then. So we've said that integration is the reverse of differentiation. So if we're given in the question dy by dx equals 4x minus 3, and for part A they want you to find an expression for y in terms of x given that x equals 3 when y equals minus 2. Okay, so they'll give you one set of coordinates on the line of the curve. So to get y, we have to integrate our dx with respect to x. So we have y equals 4x squared over 2 minus 3x plus c. Tidying that up, we get y equals 2x squared minus 3x plus c. Now the point that they give you here is to be able to find the plus c, okay, to be able to find the constant. So when x is 3, y is minus 2, so put that in to our expression here. So we have minus 2 equals 2 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus c. And you end up then with an equation to solve. So that's 18 minus 9 plus c. So we solve to get that c is minus 11. So then our equation is y equals 2x squared minus 3x minus 11. Then part B of the question, find y when x equals 6. So we just put x equals 6 into this. So 2 times 6 squared minus 3 times 6 minus 11. So that gives us 72, take away 18, take away 11. So that is 43. Okay, so our second one, it's exactly the same question, it's just slightly different wording. So the gradient function of a curve is 6x squared minus 4x. This gradient function, it's just a fancy way of saying dy by dx. Okay, so we want to find the equation of the curve given that it passes through the point 2 minus 3. So y equals the integral of our 6x squared minus 4x with respect to x. So integrate, add 1 to the index, divide by the new index. Add 1 to the index, divide by the new index. Remember your plus c. Tidy it up a bit and we'll get 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus c. So y equals this. Then it gives us a point, so it goes through the point 2 minus 3, and we use that to find c. So it goes through 2 minus 3. So our y is minus 3, and that's 2 times 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 squared plus c. So that's 8 times 2 is 16, 4 times 2 there, so we get 8. So we get, plus 8. When we bring it over, I'm just going to step ahead, it becomes a minus. So weirdly enough we get c is minus 11 again. Okay, now it's not always minus 11, it just happens to be in these two questions that it's both minus 11. So therefore our equation is y equals 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11. And then part B, find where the curve crosses the line x equal minus 1. So we're putting, where we see x in our equation, we're putting in minus 1 to find the y value for our crosses then. So it's 2 times minus 1 cubed minus 2 times minus 1 squared minus 11. Minus 1 cubed is minus 1, so that becomes minus 2. Minus 1 squared is 1, so that's minus 2. Minus 11. So that gives you a y value of minus 15. So our answer then, as it goes through the point, minus 1, minus 15.